Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about Grayson Dawn Courtwright, the UK student who FBI identified for being inside Capitol during the riots. We have important details around this news, hence, please watch the complete video and also subscribe to my channel. An affidavit seeking to charge a University of Kentucky student has been filed in connection to her participation in the riot at the US Capitol on January 6, 2021. Grayson Dawn Courtwright, identified as a senior, was featured in a recent story in the Kentucky Kernel titled Infamy is Just as Good as Fame, UK student among crowd that mobbed Capitol building. Using social media posts from accounts belonging to Courtwright, the article chronicled her actions inside the US Capitol. In the complaint, the FBI references Courtwright's post within Kentucky's Kernel's article. According to the filing agent, Capitol Police reviewed surveillance footage and said that at 15:01, Courtwright was seen on the second floor walking up the steps near the Senate chamber and room S214 carrying a members only sign. Law enforcement reportedly took the sign back before Courtwright left the Capitol. In the criminal affidavit, the FBI says the article led agents to her father's home in West Virginia. The complaint reads that her father told the FBI that Courtwright went to DC to be at the party and stayed with friends. Courtwright's father told agents that she was in front of the crowd for President Trump's speech that preceded the storming of the Capitol. Her father, who is an attorney, also said that if Courtwright is charged, he would assist to ensure she turned herself into the authorities. The affidavit says that there is probable cause to believe Courtwright violated Title 18 U.S.C. 1752, Article 1 and 2, which makes it a crime to unknowingly enter or remain in any restricted building or grounds without lawful authority to do so, and unknowingly and with intent to impede or disrupt the orderly conduct of government business or official functions, engage in disorderly or disruptive conduct in or within such proximity to any unrestricted building or grounds when or so that such conduct in fact impedes or disrupts the orderly conduct of government business or official functions. The affidavit also shows that there is probable cause to believe Courtwright uttered loud and or abusive language with the intent to impede a session of Congress, and also that she violated the law by stealing a thing of value of the United States, that is a members only sign. So that's all we have in this news about the student who was identified by FBI being inside the Capitol during the riot. Please keep watching this space for more details and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again for watching me, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.